Good morning, everyone. This time I will give some information about a new event that still live even thought it has entered phase 2. BGTrade held an event worth 1 million USDT. So BGTrade was listing its tokens on the market like MEXC 3 days ago. How to take part in the event? First, you must join the BGTrade Discord and at least get the BGT 8 role to be eligible for this airdrop. The role must be claimed at Zili. This event runs until August 31st, so make the most of it. Now we move to Zeli. So Zili is a platform that contains various tasks. We must do the task until we reach at least level 8. I've been working on a bit up to level 5 and I will continue the level. The task is quite easy, like here we have to join Discord and then we claim the points on Zili. Other tasks such as follow, like and retweet. You can see that I have reached level 7. There is still a lot of XP that must be collected to reach level 8. You can do additional tasks such as making a YouTube video containing this BGTrade event. Then you can complete the invite DC and invite Zili tasks. Remember, you do this invite Discord by inviting your friends from Discord. For Zili inviting, you share the invite link from your Zili to social media. For the most important thing, you push the Discord level to claim XP on Zili. You just need to be active on Discord often to increase the level. My advice, you also have to hold $1 Ethereum in ARB network. If you want to get the BBT holder role, you must buy at least 1 BBT in the market and connect your wallet to the Discord channel. That's all about the event. Don't forget to push your level. Thank you all.